Sex with Chuck E.
Trash.
Yawn.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're bored. New research suggests that yawning is a reflex to cool our brains. I know what you're thinking, but Chucky, why yawn when I'm tired?
Is what I was
A lack of sleep has been shown to increase the temperature of your brain, which explains why we yawn when we feel tired.
Oh, sorry about that. I'm not bored. My brain is just hot from all the smarting.
Fair enough.
Fair enough.